Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I was going to do a quick little video here. Just going to go ahead and replace this front little wind stripping here. And this thing's been bugging me. It's been falling off. It's been flapping around. As you can see, I electrical taped it for the time being. I had it locked down. Same problem. It's a common problem with the Challengers. Had it happen to my V6. Had it flapping around, and man, the V6 was black, so you could see that it did a complete number on the hood. It discolored it. It took me forever to wax it on out and everything. So I got this off of eBay. It's a replacement. We're gonna have to pull off these rivets. It's not. Let me see. They're all taped up. So that's when it's exposed here. Here we go. So it's got a bunch of rivets underneath it. Should be pretty easy to pull out. Got a lot of tape, so let me untape this, get all my dirt and everything out of there. Here's the new one. We're gonna go ahead and just leave it here in the sun. Hopefully the sun will help it expand a little bit. So yeah, be right back with you. All right guys, so I've been using is just the drill here. Just kind of been drilling them through. Once I drill it through, I go ahead and get my little pry tool, get it right behind the head, snap it off. The back part, I mean, unless you're really careful, unfortunately falls into the back. You're able to save the tops, you know, usually snap off, kind of like this. Yeah guys, I think there's a total of 10, 11 all the way down. So let me work my way down and I'll show you what it looks like once it's off. All right, so I started off with a small drill bit up here. Really didn't work too well. Started off with a little bit of a thicker one, so I was able to bust off this head, but see now this is stuck, so I'm gonna have to either try to pull that one out. This one on the other hand pulled right out perfectly. This one's here in the middle, gave me a little bit of a struggle, but you see, so you're trying to just get your drill bit to go ahead and puncture this flat because it's butterflying in on the inside. So you just need to puncture it deep enough through there, about halfway there. All right guys, so I had a lot better luck on this side. As you can see, the majority of them came out. That one did snap. So the very last one there. But yeah, drill through it. Take your pry tool and just get it back there and pry that sucker up. So this one's gone. This one's gonna be trashed. I need to come in here really quick. Of course, give everything a nice thorough wipe down, clean it up, put some Goo Gone on there, take off the stickiness off of this tape. But man, this was definitely needed. This is gonna be a great upgrade. All right, so we're back. It's nice and clean, sparkled up. You wanna start off in the middle. It does come with these rivets. You are gonna need a rivet gun. If you don't have one, run to Harbor Freight. I don't know, I picked up this one, I don't know, like 10, 15 bucks. They weren't expensive at all, very inexpensive. So yeah, so you're just gonna run back in, start in the middle and just work your way out. And should just pop back into place. Really simple. All right, check it out. It's in, locked in place, rivets in. Came out looking good. Definitely a lot better than that taped up, electrical black taped up one that I was rocking before. Definitely an upgrade. All right everyone, so everything's back in place, shined up, dolled up. Looks good. Last thing to do is just shut the hood and yeah, there you go. Perfect. No more nasty electrical tape. Looks good. Quick little mod. I'll go ahead and throw up the eBay link if you guys are interested. All right, thanks for watching guys. Catch you on the next one.